Hey guys, this is Tom Nickley with the Nickley Group here in Orlando. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to shoot this video to talk about the current state of real estate here in Central Florida, talk about a quick market update and snapshot and fill you guys in on what's going on. So to say that the Central Florida real estate market is crazy and fast-paced and intense and competitive is an understatement. It is the wildest times I've ever seen. It's super fun and there's lots of really great things going on for both buyers and sellers. So let's talk about a few things that are driving the market right now. First and foremost, and most importantly, being demand. There are more people that are moving into Central Florida, wanting to buy houses and wanting to take advantage of super low interest rates than ever before. 61,000 people moved into Central Florida last year. These people are getting good jobs, they are putting down their roots, and they're purchasing homes. In addition to that, the demand for real estate is through the roof because of interest rates. Money's just never been this cheap. 2.5% to 3% is pretty much the standard for mortgages right now, and it is just driving the frenzy for people wanting to take advantage of rates when they're at these unheard of levels. So when interest rates are low, it allows people to purchase more home. They can afford more because it's cheaper to borrow money, so it gives them more purchasing power. That's really a driving factor in today's market. So between those low interest rates and all these people moving to Central Florida, the demand is through the roof. Sales for February 2021 compared to February of 2020, they were up 20%, which is huge. So 20% more homes sold in February of this year than in February of last year. That's because demand is crazy. The second thing that kind of ties into that is not only is the demand higher than it's ever been before, but the inventory of homes available to purchase is declining. Last year, at this point in time, there were 7,000 homes for sale in Central Florida. This year, 4,200 homes. That's 40% less homes for sale this year compared to last year. So not only are there all these people moving into Central Florida, not only is there all of this demand because of money being so cheap and because of interest rates being so low, but there's less homes available for sale. So when there's more demand and there's less inventory, that means that there's higher prices. That's the other really big thing that's going on here. Another really big thing to note is appreciation, the increase in home values. The home values from February of 2020 compared to February of 2021 are 10 to 12% higher in 2021 than 2020, which is awesome. That's great. And the great news is while prices and while values are increasing, Central Florida is still super affordable. That's why we have so many people moving to the area compared to the other, a lot of the other major metropolitan areas. It's still super affordable here in Central Florida, not to mention that it's super affordable to live in Florida because of taxes and all of those benefits of living here as well. So increased demand, decrease in homes for sale equal increase in prices. So that's really what's going on in Central Florida. But the great news is that is really creating an environment that is favoring sellers. Sellers are really in the driver's seat in this market. We are seeing multiple offers on almost every property. Homes are selling for over list price routinely. People are waiving contingencies. People are waiving appraisals and paying over appraised value, but it's still super affordable. It's still a better option for a lot of people than renting. So the great news, even though the market is favoring sellers in that way, there's still a lot of positive news for buyers as well, which is kind of in synopsis that it's a great market for buyers and sellers here in the Orlando area. For buyers, the great thing is it's still super affordable. It's still cheaper to buy than it is to rent. It's still more affordable in Central Florida than a lot of other big areas across the country. And it's super cheap to buy a house right now because of interest rates. So even though prices are up and people are having to pay pay premiums for homes because interest rates are so much lower than they are on average. It's kind of balancing things out for buyers. So that's still really super positive news for buyers. And for sellers, it's just sellers are in the driver's seat. Lots of demand, multiple offers, lots of buyers looking for low amounts of homes. So really putting sellers in a really awesome position. So whether you're looking, the good news for us is, and good news for our clients and people that we're working with is we've got really, really great programs for buyers and sellers. Even though it's super competitive out there, we're still getting our buyers' offers accepted. We are getting them great deals. We're getting them great terms on their offers, and our sellers, we're getting them top dollars for their homes. So if you're in the market to buy a home, to sell a home, please reach out to us. If you're just looking for an update on the market or for some feedback or for some advice, please reach out to us at the number below. Go to our website, thenickley.com. Lots of great information there. But yeah, we're looking forward to connecting with you in the future and working with you for all your real estate needs.